Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build and fly a new quadcopter using the Transtec Laser S hybrid racing frame which I've recently reviewed. In addition, I'm also going to test the Tmotor LF40 2450 kV motors which I've recently bench tested, the Runcam Split Mini 2 HD FPV camera, and the iFlight Success X F4 mini tower. Building this quadcopter was extremely easy. Basically what I did is just to move the iFlight stack and the Runcam Split Mini camera from my Tmotor Quads Banzai to the new frame, and using this all-in-one stack makes the build pretty simple. In addition, as expected, the build came up pretty light and the total weight is about 280 grams, which is extremely light for a 5-inch quadcopter, especially considering that it's using a Runcam split camera. Now, as you're about to see, the flight footage almost has no jello, which is very good. So the camera is soft mounted inside this TPU 3D printed part, and also the quadcopter is pretty stable, which is very good. In addition, I can tell you that the motors performed pretty well. They are not very powerful, and I also only tested them with 4S LiPo batteries, even though I'm quite convinced you can also use them with 5S. In addition, I can tell you that I didn't have any problems with the flight controller or the ESC, so even though they are pretty small, you can use them with 5-inch builds. However, the only issue that I had is with the VTX. It didn't perform well, and I was very limited by the range, so I recommend that if you want to get the stack, just to get the ESC and the flight controller and use your own VTX. The next thing I'm going to do is to show you the build procedure, which was pretty short, and then the flight footage. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about any of the parts that I used, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. Inside